to another moon-filled morning. It is day 12. My last day. I'm going to drive out and do the same thing I did yesterday morning, hopefully with different results this time. But I think I'll try to hold out for a decent deer this morning, at least until the sun gets up. No matter what happens, I've had a good hunt. No matter the outcome, it's been fun. So, Graham gonna slay today. Let's do this. Just getting light enough to see. I don't want to go any further until I can see better. I can see the top where they go over, and if they're already standing up there, they're going to see me. No matter what the day may bring, I've had an awesome hunt. I've had more than enough opportunities to fill my tag, but I just wasn't good enough to get it done. Before going any further, here's a montage of some of the bucks I've seen up to this point.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. If I let it be, I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. Starting to be able to see pretty good. If a deer's moving, I'll be able to see it. Got a deer.
bumps in the saddle. Okay, now I can see both exit points. So close. Oh, man. That was still pretty cool. The chances of him coming back over now are slim to none. If he was gonna do what I thought, or hoping he was gonna do, I would have saw him by now. Bits and pieces of him up on the skyline, but he's gone. Got another deer. Doe. Sun's starting to peek out over the rise. They're starting to hit the tops of the mountains over here. Right there's one of the saddles. I see him go through. I'm not seeing him down below. I see a deer running. There's some deer running up there. It looked like a buck chasing a doe. Wasn't a big buck though. For the remainder of the morning, I continued glassing the same area, finding a good amount of does, but only one small buck. Either way, it was an absolutely gorgeous morning to be out in God's country looking for Coues deer. On a plan C, I'm going to go glass some north-facing slopes. And maybe plan C will be, go look at the spike real quick. That spike is standing in the open within 300 yards. I might shoot it. You never know. We'll see once I get over there. If he's got eye guards on his spikes, I might take him. Because then technically he'd be a 2x2. Not a spike, right? His back straps look good. His backs look real long. That's what you want in a spike, is long back straps. And normally tenderloins correspond with the back straps. If you got long back straps, you're gonna have long tenderloins too. That's all that matters really when you're shooting a spike, is those back straps. You gotta look how big they are, and he looked like he had good ones. Alright, gonna go check on the spike real quick. Alright, because I'm not meant to shoot a spike today, or this morning at least. On plan C, go glass some north-facing slopes so I can find something. just left my truck. There's a buck looking at me right up on the hill about 150 yards. There's no way he's gonna let me shoot him. He's gotta run soon, I'd imagine. He's just standing there looking at me. Surprised he's letting me do as much as I'm doing now. Unless he didn't see me yet. I don't know how he moved. Where'd he go? Messing around with the video. Trying to get video of him and freaking lost him when he went in. Dang it. Yeah, I was planning on hiking way back here. I almost got one right next to my truck. My truck's about 100 yards behind me. I wonder where he went. He was 134 yards from me. Up on the freaking hill, looking right at me. I just turned the corner and there he was, just standing there. Right there in that opening. In that grass, that yellow stuff, he was standing right there. So close. That'd have been a nice buck to have. Looked like he had good mass. Jeez. Well, maybe I can pick him up on the other side. I doubt it, but never know. Oh well. Let's keep going. Let's find some more bucks. Let's do this. Last day. Hoorah. There's a gunshot right over there. I wonder if it was him. If the buck ran that way instead of up and over, he might have got a shot. Alright, I'm gonna sit down right here in class for a little bit. There's a deer. Two of them. Two doe. That's right where I need to hike. Pretty sure I just found a deer bedded. Yeah. There's a tree right in front of me. You can barely see over the top of it. I'm trying to decide what to do right now. If I want to go look for the one that I scared, which I don't think I have a shot finding again. He might even be shot already. I heard a gunshot over there. Or do I hike up the mountain where I see more deer, which I'm gonna scare this deer and then two other doe. It's a spike. What did I say? If it's gray, I'm gonna slay. He's 416. I can probably get within 200 yards pretty easy as this thing. It's 140. 4 hours. I'm gonna glass a little longer and think about it. Then last minute, if he's still there, I can shoot him maybe. Just hoping more of the evening winds down. Maybe the bucks will start coming out. Start chasing some does, hopefully. Seeing enough of does. There should be some bucks chasing them, I would think. There's another one. Two of them. Oh, I got a buck. Yes. Yes, got a buck. Good looking buck. Oh, freaking yes. Yes, yes. He's in a crappy spot, though. Oh. Do something right for me, please. How far is that? Can I shoot from here? Please bed down right there, bud. Don't follow that doe. Nope, he ain't gonna stop, is he? Oh, man. He's going into the bottom where it's real thick, but he might come out the other side. If he had just stayed there for a little bit, just a little bit, I could have maybe got a shot on him. I think it's the limit time. I think I just found a little buck right in front of me. Yep, right there. Oh, he's got a 2.0 on side. $350 yards. The 2-pointer. It's on his bike. Maybe. He's like a spike. Even if he has 2 points, he's tiny. But he's got eye guards. And good back straps. Oh man, what to do, what to do. I want that big one. I'll just keep looking, I guess. Just found some deer up in these cliffs here, or not cliffs, but rocks. There's a good buck with this doe. So, I have a good buck. 2 good bucks up that canyon. And I don't know if they're gonna stick around or what. I got a sure thing at that little 2-point right there. And I got 2 big bucks over here. The buck's raking a tree. Thought I saw another buck in there. I just gotta go. I'm gonna go. I have to. There's that buck and there's a good buck that came out. So I think I'm gonna just bust my butt. Oh, this is gonna suck. But I gotta get to that peak there. Alright. So I'm gonna bust some deer out, I think. But I gotta do it. Probably can get 500 yards. I should be able to get up there in about 30 minutes. And give me about an hour of shooting line. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to see him. He's going in some thick stuff. And there's a water tank on the other side of that hill. He's probably heading to that. But that other one's still down below him in the canyon, I think. So maybe he'll come out. So there's at least 2 decent ones over there. I mean, I can shoot this 2x1 at that tiny 2-point at 350 yards, but I think I'd rather get a big one or nothing. I don't think I want a 2-point just yet. I don't know. It's easy to say that when you see a couple big ones. But if I wasn't seeing these big ones, I would have shot that 2-point by now. I think. Trying to figure out the best way to do this. No matter what I do, it's gonna suck. This hill's kicking my butt. Deer hunt almost turned into a coyote. There's a coyote 75 yards in front of me. Big old fat one. I'm about halfway there. I'm making decent time, but I'm dying. At the rate the deer was going up, I don't think I'm gonna make it in time. I'm just hoping he doesn't want to top out until the sun goes down. But But I think it'll depend on what his toes are doing. Alright. See you at the top. Didn't think I was gonna make it. I can see the top. I don't think I'm in that great of a spot though. Looks like 5:30 will be the farthest shot I got. If I get a shot. The sun is absolutely horrible right now. Right in my eyes. It's gonna make it tough. I got about 15, 20 yards that I have to cross where I'm gonna be exposed. Piece in that thick stuff. I ain't gonna find them. I'll just take one step at a time. I see one. I see two. They're not looking at me. Look like does. The sun is killing me. I see some deer across the canyon. I see one buck over there. It's not very big. Those two doe there. So far looks like 5 or 6 does and a little 2-point in that group. Then I got a group down below me, and then I saw where the big buck was up there. I saw one of the does. Okay, I'm gonna better sneak over real quick and check these deer before I lose them. I just hope they don't see me. That's my backup buck, that little 2-point. I think my original buck's gone. It took me way too long to get over here. I see one. Spike or 2-point across the canyon. I think it's that one. It's my backup buck. I see a deer bedded. Looks like a doe. I'm trying to set my tripod up. I see a deer across the canyon here. There's a little buck across the canyon. He'll get shot if I don't find the big one. Another spike. My wind has changed. It's going right up the canyon now. Does are 300. 300. And that little buck that I can't find anymore, he was also 300. I heard something down there. I think I see a deer down there. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Right there. Got a buck. Got a good buck. Yes, got a good buck. Got a good buck, it looks like. Yes. 310. I can't shoot prone here. Freaking, I never can shoot prone. Oh man. I think I can get prone back here. I'm gonna try it. I don't think he'll see me. Give me some time to calm down. I am shaking like a mother right now. Alright, I'm gonna go check and see if he's still there. That took a while. Yeah, I still see him. I can see him naked eye. But I think I can get prone right there. You can definitely see me. I don't think he does though. No, he don't see me. Alright, let's try to do this. There's gonna be a tree in my way, I think. Yeah, there's definitely gonna be a tree in my way. Come on now. I'm messing around. I can't stop shaking. Well, as my bad luck would have it, as soon as I take my eye off this buck, he decides to move on me. By the time I get back into the gun, he's already gone from the last place I saw him.
As soon as I realize he's not where he used to be, I quickly lower the scope's magnification and begin searching the surrounding area where I last saw him. Every second that passes, I start getting that all too familiar feeling that I've had numerous times on this hunt, that I've just been schooled by the elusive Coues deer. A few minutes later, after not relocating the buck, I decide to check the video to see if I can get lucky and see where he went.
I think he topped out over. I couldn't get steady. I lost him for a while, and I watched the video, and last time I saw him, he started running like he saw something like a doe. And I can't find him. Dang it, I didn't think I had to rush. He looked like he was just feeding and bedding, or not bedding, but just sitting there feeding. I've been moving a ton, so I bet you everything on my left, where the other buck was, is probably all spooked now. There's probably nothing left in this canyon. Yeah, I think he ran over. He was only had to go 30, 40 yards. And to be over the top, and when I watched the video, it looked like he shot straight that way. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. I could have took a chance, but my crosshairs were moving too much. I just wasn't steady when I could have shot. By the time I calmed down, he took off. Alright, let's find another one. I got like 30 minutes, I think. Maybe I should check over here just in case. Yeah, I'll do that just in case. I'm almost positive I scared all these deer though. I think I found a giant shed. I think I did. That thing looks big. Check this bad boy out. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but that's a giant shed. Golly. Dang, that's awesome. Wow. I have to come back in here. Dang it. Archery starts tomorrow. I got a good reason to go buy an archery tag now. I see that little bug. I can shoot him if I want to. Let me check one more time here. Can't believe that buck touched me. Give it one last try over here. I'm actually gonna walk over where I can see it better. Alright, let's go over and see if I can find something over here. That's a good time to stop now. You make that much noise, you don't want to keep going. Yep, there's deer running right there. They got their flags up. You just scared out 3 doe. I think that's gonna be it. Just if I could have got steady. You know what? I'm gonna try to make it to that other cut real quick, I think. I might be able to do it. like it. I'm gonna try though. Gonna try. I got 2 minutes left. Last two raw. Here we go. What in the heck is that? What in the world? I see a big old fat lady on the hill singing right now. That's my joke of the day. Meaning the hunt is done. It's been an awesome day. Awesome hunt. I've had some really good luck and really crappy luck. I had my chances today. I could have shot a couple bucks, small ones, and then that good one there. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. Well, in my younger days, I'd have let the lead fly, but I want to be dead set, just solid when I shoot now. And the crosshairs were still on the deer, but it was just moving a little too much. And I thought I had time. I thought I had all the time in the world. I didn't think it would run away. I thought maybe it would start walking up the hill or something, but you gotta love the rut. Love or hate it. Freaking, it's good when they do that, when they're running around so you can see them, but not when you're trying to shoot them. Alrighty, I better get packed up and get out of here. It's dark. I don't want to walk home in the dark. So anyways, thanks again for watching. Bye.